Dr. Zakir, in difference to what you've said, there are some people who delay the breaking of the fast and the Magrib prayer on the premise that they don't believe the sun has completely set, and on the basis that they believe it's always better to be on the safe side. Is this a correct logic?
There are a large number of Muslims who they want to be safe and they delay the breaking of the fast. Even though the sun has set, they said, let's wait for about 3 or 4 minutes, then we'll break. Because they want to be careful, because there's a hadith of a beloved Prophet Sallallahu. It's mentioned in Sahih Al Targheeb, hadith number 991, where the Prophet, he speaks about his dream, that he has a dream, and he's taken up, and there he hears the sound of people howling. And he asks that, who are these people? These are the people in hellfire. Then he's taken to another corner, and he sees that people are hung from the hamstring, and the corner of the mouths are torn, and there is blood dripping. So he asks that, who are these people? So the reply is, these are the people who broke their fast early. So based on this hadith, that if a person breaks the fast early, he'll be hung from the hamstring, and his mouth will be torn, and there'll be dripping of blood. People go out of their way to take a precaution, and they delay by 4 or 5 minutes. Now this is against the sunnah. Breaking early is wrong, but delaying it is also wrong. Because as I mentioned earlier, it's clearly mentioned in the Quran, in Surah Baqarah chapter 2, verse number 187, that keep the fast until night falls. And as I mentioned earlier in the earlier answer, it's mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 3, in the book of fasting, hadith number 1954. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad said that when night falls from this side and the day vanishes from this side, and when the sun sets, you break your fast. And there are various other hadiths which I quoted earlier, including Sahih Bukhari, volume number 3, in the book of fasting, hadith number 1957. Our beloved Prophet said that my people will be on the straight path till the time they hasten to break the fast. It's mentioned in Sahih ibn Hibban, volume number 8, hadith number 3510, that the beloved Prophet ﷺ said that my people will be on the sunnah till the time they don't wait to see the stars to break the fast. And it's also mentioned in Sahih ibn Hibban, volume number 8, hadith number 3509, that the beloved Prophet ﷺ said that my religion will be seen till the time my people hasten in breaking the fast and do not delay like the Ahle Kitab, the Jews and the Christians. So here there are various hadith talking about you should hasten breaking the fast. But natural, it should be after the sun has set. We cannot break the fast before the sun sets. But the moment it's confirmed that the sun has set with your own eyes, or nowadays there are clocks, there are watches, you can easily time yourself. So there's no need of waiting 4 or 5 minutes and taking a precaution. If you do that, that's what the Prophet said, that my ummah will not be on the sunnah. So to be on the sunnah, on the right track, the moment the sun sets, you should break the fast immediately.